Welcome back. You know, the benefits being offered to veterans here in the West Michigan area are numerous, and all of the information can seem overwhelming to some, and some of it gets missed. That's why Nelson Soto is the Kent County Veterans Services Support Coordinator. It's a new role. He joins us this morning along with another special guest to talk about ways that the KCVS is connecting with vets. Good morning. How are you?
Good morning.
Nelson, we heard your name last month. It's great to see your face, finally meet you. Talk about who you are. Introduce yourself to us and about this new position that you do.
Well, thank you. Like you said, my name is Nelson Soto. I'm a veteran, and I'm here to help veterans. My specific job is a veteran support coordinator with Kent County Veteran Services. Our veterans hotline is 616-286-9052, and we want to be your first call between 8 a.m. and 5 p.m.
There you go.
If you're a veteran.
You got the face, you got the number, you got the name right there. So if you're a veteran, you're looking for services, you want to get connected, Nelson Soto's your guy. 286-9052. Let's talk a little bit about some of the things you do. There's a Soldier and Sailors Relief Fund, right? Talk about that.
Yes, absolutely. Kent County Veteran Services is able to assist Kent County veterans and surviving spouses and children that are experiencing unexpected financial emergencies via the Soldiers and Sailors Relief Fund. We are able to assist with various needs, such as rent or mortgage payments, groceries through vouchers from Meyer and Save-A-Lot, utility bills, auto repairs, bus passes, work clothes and tools, certain education debt, and now dental services. The basic requirement is that the applicant must be a Kent County resident and must have an honorable or general honorable conditions discharge.
All of these great things waiting for veterans out there. You touched on something there with Meyer, and we showed something on the screen. It looked like a $50 voucher. Talk about these emergency vouchers. How do people get these?
Well, that's through the SSR program. The basic requirement, like I said, is that the applicant must be a Kent County resident and must have an honorable or general under honorable conditions discharge. They would bring our VSO, our Veteran Service Officer, their information, their financial information, their need situation, and it would be assessed. And then if they were deemed eligible, then they would receive those vouchers. That's
Perfect.
How that would work.
That's phenomenal. And it's great to have someone, a point person such as yourself, that we can call if we have any of these questions. You don't want to miss out on these benefits, plus these great events that are happening. You've partnered with Pamela. You're going to host a few art workshops. Let's see, talk a little bit about that before we bring Pamela in. What's this collaboration? I know about her art prize exhibit last year was a very big thing when it came to the military.
Yes, absolutely. So we've recently partnered with several individuals and corporations and companies and charities to help our veterans, not only how we would normally do it with the service-connected disability claims, non-service-connected disability claims, burial services, and the SSR. As I spoke before, we're also doing a health and wellness program that's new for us. Art workshops with Pamela, yoga, there's equine therapy, several things to help the veteran, not just in the things we've done normally, but in a new way to help them all around.
Love what you're doing. Let's bring Pamela in here too. We need to talk to her about what she's got planned. Paints, we got the paintbrushes. Pamela, are you there?
Yes, I'm here. Hi.
Hi, great to see your smiling face. I just saw you on the website and on Facebook too. I was learning a little bit about you. Introduce yourself to our viewers and talk about these workshops.
Okay, thank you. I'm Art Prize artist Pamela Alderman, and I've been an Art Prize artist for 10 years. I create interactive pieces, and they deal with sex trafficking, children that have struggled with autism, cancer, and also veterans. And one of my popular pieces, Hometown Hero from 2015, was voted into the top 20. But last year, partnering with Kent County Veteran Services, I created Yellow Ribbon, and that piece involved veterans all across West Michigan that enthusiastically participated, everyone from 2 to 92. And we had several workshops. A lot of those workshops occurred before the pandemic, thankfully. After the pandemic, some of the workshops were moved outside, but we're looking forward to unveiling that project later when Art Prize comes back.
Cannot wait to see the finished product when that comes around. And these workshops look like a really great way for veterans to get together and take part in a project, in a project bigger than themselves. Talk about a little bit about, it seems like you really have a penchant for this cause. Why is this so personal for you?
So I am a veteran's wife. My husband served 20 years. I'm also a mother-in-law of a current military member and the mother of a brand new military member. My son was he's just started his career in the military. So the piece means a lot to me, my military work, especially Yellow Ribbon, and how it's expanded to include our veteran art workshops. Again, this is another partnership with Kent County Veteran Services. So we're really excited about this. They're free workshops, and artists, non-artists can get involved. They're fun. Right now they're on Zoom, and it's an opportunity to form relationships and just learn more about art, whatever level you're at. I just adapt the lesson to whatever level each participant is currently at. And they get free supplies. And so veterans, we're really enjoying this new opportunity.
Thank you so much for that information and for what you're doing. Nelson, great to meet you too. I'm sorry we're short on time, so we're going to have to let you go, but we'll get all of the information at fox17morningmix.com, or you can call again, 616-286-9052. Thanks again for your time this morning. We'll be right back.